Hi guys, welcome back to Bad Hair Adventures. We are in Ramsholt on the River Deben in Suffolk, and we're going to go for a little dog walk, maybe have some food at the Ramsholt Arms, very nice little pub.
We'll see.
But we'll see.
Depends how busy it is.
Mary's sister's here, and so we're going to show her some sights.
Looks like chicken of the woods, doesn't it?
I know, I want to capture it so we can check the book later. It's got like a very tight-knit spore. So then we'll check the old the book for it later.
Yeah. It's pretty cool. Nature's larder. Yeah. That one wasn't. That was a bit bland actually, that one. That one also wasn't very tart. That was really nice. This is like the cutest house. I'd live in this house happily with its tomatoes. Where's it gone, Pickle? Where's it gone? It's hiding. It's hiding in the in the trees.
Oh, it's beautiful.
That'll be the deaf cat then that we saw. The Ramsholt church tower has been described as oval, but this is in fact incorrect. The internal diameter north to south is 10 foot 11 inches and east to west is 10 foot 4 inches, so the difference is only 7 inches. Similar differences are normal in other round towers. However, the three buttresses tend to create the impression of an oval shape. The tower is 56 foot high and has a wall thickness of 3 foot 9 inches. The buttresses are 2 foot 9 inch wide and project more than 4 foot at their bases. They extend for the full height of the tower and of 4 stages. The fabric of the tower is mainly septaria, a light to medium brown clay-like limestone with a coarse texture found in local river estuaries and flint. Some medieval bricks, their colour and size show they are not Roman, were used for the putlog hole frames. The pointed arches of the belfry openings are stone, dressed and distinctly Norman in appearance, as is the southwest ground floor window. This suggests a post-Norman date for the tower, as does the use of medieval brick. The buttresses appear to have been built at the same time as the tower. What we see today is most likely the result of rebuilding after the collapse of an earlier tower. This collapse may also have brought down some of the nave and west wall. The existing tower and west wall of the nave are thought to have been built in the late 13th to early 14th century. Medieval builders were skilled and thoughtful men, and the use of a buttressed tower design suggests that they had learnt from the earlier collapse and were determined that it would not happen again. Not cool. I know more people are wearing gloves and masks and things, but this is not cool. Leave no trace, take your shit with you.
So that's the walk over. Wasn't very far,
No, it's only a short one, isn't it?
but with some very lovely fish and chips to finish it off. Thank you for joining us on this one. If you enjoyed that, click the like and, you know, maybe consider subscribing. And click the bell so you get the notifications. Also, follow our Instagrams, they're listed in the descriptions. We tend to post notifications for coming soons, this, that and the other.
Along with other things as well.
Yeah, on our Instagrams. Do check those out as well. So thanks for joining us, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.